The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Archocean and make your JEE Mains B.Arch and NATA dreams come true. Download the app now.
Number 1. The Pritzker Architecture Prize. Times founded in 1979 by the Pritzker family and funded by their Hyatt Foundation, the Pritzker Architecture Prize aims to honor a living architect or architects whose built work demonstrates a combination of those qualities of talent, vision, and commitment, which has produced consistent and significant contributions to humanity and the built environment through the art of architecture. The annual award includes a grant of $100,000 and in 2020 was awarded to the remarkable Irish architects Evan Farrell and Shelley McNamara, who, along with their firm, Grafton Architects, has achieved incredible recognition, from also winning the inaugural World Building of the Year award at the World Architectural Festival to the inaugural Reba International Prize. More on Reba below. Times the Pritzker is perhaps the best-known architecture award, with an incredible roster of laureates, certainly attaining Jai and Cindy Pritzker's original vision of encouraging and stimulating a much greater public awareness of buildings. The jury, currently chaired by the 2016 winner of the prize, Alejandro Arvena, selects a winner from nominations solicited by the executive director, Martha Thorne. Past laureates, academics, and critics, along with any licensed applicant, may submit an application for the award. Number 2. Architecture Master Prize. Times established in 2016, the Architecture Master Prize, AMP, was created to honor, celebrate and share the very best projects in the fields of architectural design, interior design, and landscape architecture. Unlike some other awards, the AMP is open to submissions from all architects across the world, whether students just beginning their journey into the discipline or those who have established experts in their field, like the 2020 Architectural Design of the Year, which was won by the remarkable Tadao Ando and his project, JEE Art Museum. Split into two categories, professional and student winners, the AMP has very quickly established itself as the home for innovative thinking, promoting new ideas in architecture and outstanding design from every continent. Each year, the task of the expert jury gets harder, as the number and standard of entries continue to rise, further generating unprecedented global publicity for the winners. With a wide range of subcategories available to enter, every exceptional project is sure to find a fitting home. Times through partnerships within the media and art world, the AMP is able to share the work of the winners with a much wider community and bring projects, individuals, and firms under the gaze of potential new clients worldwide. The 2019 AMP Winners Gala was held at the incredible Frank Gehry-designed Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, itself an example of the true wonder of architecture and the perfect place to celebrate the latest marvels in the discipline. Number 3. AAK Khan Award for Architecture. Times since it was established in 1977, the AAK Khan Award for Architecture, aka, has been awarded every 3 years to an international project which meets the needs and preferences of Islamic societies. When first conceived, there was a distinct Western bias in architecture, and the award has not only successfully brought a much wider knowledge of Muslim architecture to the wider world, but also sought to highlight issues such as sustainability, climate adaptation, and quality of life, issues that are now at the forefront of global architectural discussion. The winners share a prize fund of $1 million, and they are chosen from a wide range of projects. Examples from the 2019 edition include the Palestinian Museum in Birzeit, the Aliaun Diop University Teaching and Research Unit in Bombay, and the Wasit Wetland Center in Sharjah, all considerably different and diverse projects. Number 4. AIA Gold Medal. Times the American Institute of Architects, AIA, runs more than 30 award programs, with the most famous and prestigious being the Gold Medal. This is awarded annually to an individual, or pair, whose work has created an influential legacy, both practically and also through architectural theory. Past winners include architects whose names are well known by a wider public audience, such as Frank Lloyd Wright, Le Corbusier, Sir Norman Foster, and Frank Gehry. Recent winners include Tadao Ando, Julia Morgan, Moshe Safdie, and, most recently, Edward Mazria. Quite simply, an astonishing list of architects at the very top of their game. Number 5. Reba. Times as with the AIA, the Royal Institute of British Architects, Reba, organize a number of awards as a part of their program, including the Reba International Prize, the Reba International Emerging Architect Prize, and the Reba International Awards for Excellence. The latest winner of the Reba International Prize, Children Village, by Aleph Zero and Rosenbaum of Brazil, demonstrates exactly what the Reba jury is looking for, a project which fits its environment perfectly, achieving precisely what was needed in the brief but going beyond this, into those rare strata of perfection. Times one thing all these awards have in common is a shared love and joy of architecture itself. For architects and designers to have the opportunity to disseminate their work, whether their latest project or the sum total of their career to date, is a powerful thing. To showcase the discipline to the public and wider world is essential, demonstrating how important the lived-in environment actually is. To see a new building, or a renovated older one, or a stunning interior, or incredible use of outdoor space is something which should never be taken for granted. What humankind can achieve is extraordinary, and never more so than the work of the winners of these awards. Number 6. The UIA Gold Medal. Times ever since 1984, the International Union of Architects has been awarding the most accomplished architects in the industry with a UIA Gold Medal. Times to win the UIA Gold Medal, an architect or group of architects has to showcase the excellence in quality of professional service and the significance of the contribution to society. Times the award is very prestigious because it is awarded by fellow colleagues who have already established themselves as the best of the best. On top of that, it is only awarded every 3 years, which makes it even more prestigious and harder to win. Times this is one of the rare architectural awards that promotes architecture as a form of art. Number 7. The Brick Train Awards. Times since 2004. Celebrating the world's greatest brick architecture and craftsmanship. One of the longest established and most widely respected design awards in the UK. The awards recognize excellence in design and construction using brick. Number 8. Reba Sterling Prize. Times British Prize for Excellence in Architecture. It is named after the architect James Sterling, organized and awarded annually by the Royal Institute of British Architects, Reba. The Reba Sterling Prize is presented to the architects of the building that has made the greatest contribution to the evolution of architecture in the past year. Number 9. Thomas Jefferson Medal in Architecture. Since 1966. The Thomas Jefferson Foundation Medal in Architecture recognizes individuals for distinguished contributions to the field of architecture. The Medal in Architecture has been jointly awarded each year by the Thomas Jefferson Foundation at Monticello and the University of Virginia School of Architecture since 1966. Number 10. World Architecture Festival Awards. Since 2008. Winning AWF Award, the Oscars of Architecture, is your passport to the international architecture scene. Both professionally and personally transformational, the WAF Awards are your gateway to global exposure, recognition and success.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Archocean and make your JEE Mains B.Arch and NATA dreams come true. Download the app now.